heading out this morning off of our Alaska Highway boondocking adventure. We totally caught the northern lights last night and it was epic. Cannot wait to show you our footage. I hope it turned out good. We haven't looked at it yet, but I mean, we had pinks, we had purples, we had greens, we had blues, the whole sky.
To the eye.
To the eye, to the naked eye was lit up and dancing. It looked, I can't even describe it. It was so amazing. And we're hoping to catch it again tonight. So it's just really cool. Really awesome. We had a 3,000 square foot house and all of the things, yet we always found ourselves looking for more. We love being outside, we love adventuring, and every time we went someplace, we never wanted to come home. We are just your average family living not your everyday life. Andrew, Janelle, Corbin, and Wyatt. We are the Hoopers. This is our journey of building our home. We are heading out of Palmer today. We were gonna go down to Valdez, but it's supposed to just be rainy, lots of cloud cover, so we decided to head north. We're gonna chase the northern lights. The KP index is actually supposed to get really high tonight, so we're hoping we have a chance to see them. So we'll see where we end up. The aurora borealis is supposed to be amazing tonight, so we are totally northern light chasers, and we are just waiting.
And we're boondocking on the old Alaskan highway. So
it's literally just an abandoned highway, so we're just like parked in the middle
so like
of it.
right off the highway that you drive on now, outside of Tok, I don't know, probably 10 miles outside of Tok, you veer off from the main highway to a dirt road for probably, I don't know, 300 yards, and it turns back into a
just
highway again, a painted
road.
highway that's in the middle of nowhere in the woods.
It's crazy.
It's obviously overgrown, but it's kind of cool. And it probably goes for a mile and a half, then it turns back into dirt again, and then it reconnects with the other highway. So we are boondocking on a highway, obviously with no traffic, but hopefully we'll get to see the northern lights tonight.
That's our wish.
And then this is our last night in Alaska.
It is our last night. We cross the border tomorrow. Got the old tripod ready, camera hooked up, everything's leveled. Have to probably re-level it once we get it outside, but we're gonna play around with our night photography again, try to catch some of these lights on camera if we can.